Are you interested in investing but have a limited budget? I've got some tips for you. Investing on a budget is possible, and it's a great way to grow your wealth over time. First, start by setting clear financial goals for yourself. Knowing what you want to achieve will help you stay focused. Next, make sure to create a solid budget. This will help you allocate money specifically for investing purposes. Consider starting with low-cost investment options like index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. They offer diversification at minimal fees. Automating your investments can help you stay consistent and disciplined. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, like 401k or 403b plans. They often offer matching contributions, which is essentially free money. Investing in stocks can be an affordable option, especially if you buy fractional shares. This allows you to own a small portion of expensive stocks. Consider investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, which allow you to invest in real estate without the hefty price tag. Make use of robo-advisors. These online platforms can help you invest in a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and goals. Educate yourself on investing fundamentals. Knowledge is power, and it can help you make informed investment decisions. Avoid high-cost investments like actively managed mutual funds. They often have high fees and may not perform as well as index funds. Keep an eye on fees when choosing investment platforms. Low fees can make a big difference in long-term returns. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount consistently over time. It helps reduce the impact of market volatility. Reinvesting your dividends can help your investments grow faster over time. You'll benefit from the power of compounding. Consider opening a brokerage account with a low minimum investment requirement. This can give you access to a wider range of investment options. Don't forget to diversify your investment portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Monitor your investments regularly, but avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Make sure to save for emergencies before investing. Having an emergency fund will give you peace of mind. Investing on a budget requires patience and discipline. Stick to your plan and stay focused on your long-term goals. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. So, don't wait. Start investing on a budget today.